Good morning, dear crafters. Then we see, here we have, so you can see what I'm doing today. You're welcome to my channel, and from Sweden here. And today is number 13. And I am going to make some small pockets over here. And I am going to use all those small, you know, we have small things lying around. And this is scrap paper. You choose the width, and I'm folding them like that. So I have the one over there. One over there. I think this one get wrong. I am going to have so. I want to have this paper, the red and green with snowflakes in the bottom. And here you have there, and we are going to ink it up and place it, ink it. So my friends, there we go. And we're placing it like that. There. There we go. And we do that firstly. We see if we are placing it so we have it even. We see here. And we have this one. It will be really, really tight, but I think it's doable. So, yeah. And I have some small I have done. We can place here is kind of stamps. There we go. I will be back. I'm going to fill it with glue. There we go. So, a new bottle. They get messy on the way, so we are going to glue them round there. Okay. I don't know if my glue is not working. So there we go. So. And a last one over here. We take a little there, so, and the whole way over here. We could have used double-sided tape, but I use it only in some circumstances. That was not right. There and here. There. Now we have pockets. We can make them in any size we want to. There we go. There. Good. And we are placing it over here like that. So we have them in row. So the last one. Okay. There we go. So. There we have them. All my pockets. And we are through this way. So, yeah. I was thinking to have a big pocket or tag. Yeah. Oh no, I should have. Do you know, I am really stupid. Okay. I was thinking to have the. All right. Then we have the small ones. I have a lot of them here. And we are going to place them some ink. So we take one in each. And we take one of those here, the red ones. So, and we take the berries. There. And I have some leftovers from there. You know, when we had the stripes. We see here if I can have 3 of those. We use everything we have left over. And I'll take one more, so we have 3. There. Now we reuse our scrap. There we go. And I think we're going to glue this over here. And I think we are going to have those stamps. They have laying around so long. Let's see what else I have here. A balloon. Yeah, we'll take that one. Coffee dyed paper, the stamping, what you have, and some cardstock. So, and then we are going to see, I have some small let's see, could we have some lighter? Yeah. So we have some color. There. And some glue. There we go. And really stuffed. So an idea how you can make your pages. And we can make a little bit more. I was thinking we could have so we are cutting. So it's not red, but so we are cover the red over here, or the whites. We have one white over here. Some washi tape. So there we go. And we have this one here. So, oh, shit. There, my friends. So, it's done. Day 13. Thank you for watching. Bye.